Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world, and welcome to Danny's Detours, where we talk about anything and everything life related. Consciousness is our compass. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and I'm out and about again with the gruesome twosome, the old Bonnie and Clyde, Paddy and Willow. And Willow's proper sorting Paddy out this morning. She was, I think Paddy was irritating her a bit this morning, so she's getting a 10p's worth this morning, aren't you, Willow? Right, come on. Sorting him out good and proper. Oh dear, makes me laugh. She's the boss. Typical woman, but yeah, thank you so much for joining me on another one of my out and abouts, walk and talks. You already know the score. Thank you so much for everyone who does like, comment and subscribe to the channel. We're doing really well, and like I say, I've noticed the old TikTok's doing very well as well, and getting a lot of good decent coverage on that. I sort of like mix up the content a little bit with TikTok, because obviously the algorithm works a little bit different, but it's not going to stop me doing my daily videos like I've been doing as of lately. But yeah, like I say, thank you so much for joining me. And you know what I did this morning, guys? Because obviously I've started a little bit of not so much a new diet, but I've kind of like started to try and eat a little bit more. Obviously I do the fasting, and that's one thing we could talk about on the video this morning, guys, is does anyone fast? You know, does anyone know the benefits of fasting? Because obviously with me being a type 1 diabetic, you know, there's a lot of benefits to that, because when you start to fast, your body starts to eat into like its fat reserves, stuff like that. So basically it helps and enables you to like just basically strip down fat, but not even so much just like stripping down fat, but it also it's good for so many different reasons. Like if you like sort of like fast for like up to say like 18 hours, then you'll start to eat into your fat reserves. Come on, this way. But if you fast for up to say 48 hours, then your body will start to naturally produce and release something called stem cells. And what stem cells basically do, guys, is it's your body's way of naturally repairing itself. So say if you've got problems with your eyes or anything in your body, anything along them lines, then your body will start to naturally repair. And basically look at it like this, where say you've got a vacuum cleaner in your body, yeah? And as you're fasting, because the way we've got to look at it, guys, is everything in this life, look at these two, they make me laugh, them two, come on. The everything in this life, as I've already, you know, pointed out, is energy, you know. And when you look at it like this, guys, right, yeah, when you're eating food, what is your body doing? It is using energy, you know, because you got to look at it like this. And when you are not eating, look at that, fantastic. I love the sound of water, so relaxing. But when you're eating food, your body is using what? Energy. I think we're going to sit down on these benches today, actually. We'll have a bit of a chill out, yeah. Yeah, your body is using energy, which basically, you know, it's using up energy, innit, when you think about it. So when your body is fasting and there is no food in your body, then your body is what? It's resting. So then once it is resting, it enables your body, look at it like it's a little vacuum cleaner, yeah, and it's going around in your body and it's cleaning up all the old dead cells. Because if your body is full of food, then your body has to work to break down that food, to pass it through the body, you know, to absorb the nutrients and so many different things. But if you're in a state of like, you know, and this is why they say like you can get closer to God when you when your body is empty or in fasting, and the longer you fast, the closer you get to God, which is all it is when you say like getting, look at Paddy here, hello. He's proper cheeky, this one. Yeah, when you're getting closer to God, all that means is you're becoming closer to the higher version of yourself. Get down, come on, sort him out, Willow. Yeah, she's sorting him out now. That's it, sort him out, get him told. But when you becoming a higher, like to your higher purpose or the highest version of yourself, because I've discussed this previously in some of my other videos, like on the lower end of your chakras, which is the red, which is tied to your hips, your stomach, everything is like food related or sexual related, pornography, whatever that may be. That's like your animal instincts. But when we start to like become disciplined or fasting or whatever that may be, then we get closer to God or a higher version of ourselves or our higher purpose. Hence why, you know, you've got to look at it like this, where, you know, we are, you know, this is everything that is literally attached to it. So you've got to look at it like this, where basically, you know, everything that we do in this life has will and has purpose. So when we fast, that is when we start to become closer to God. Because when I say God, a lot of people think, oh God, a man in the sky with a grey beard and stuff like that. No, because God resides within inside of you, as he does with everyone else. Because at the end of the day, guys, God is inside of all of us, because we are an expression of the universe, and everything that we do, everything that we choose to do, is expressed out for us. Hence why I always say, whatever your thoughts and feelings are is an expression of what this universe will be into your reality. So yeah, just a few things to, and also guys, I just want to remind you, I have opened a Telegram group for our community. We've only got a couple of members in it at the moment. So I do recommend and urge everyone who's out there, you know, to download Telegram and come join. It's Danny Detour's chat. It's you'll find a link to the description below, so check it out. Make sure that you know, get over there, and you know, we can just, even if you just want to come in there and have a casual chat, you can listen. There's no pressure, doesn't cost anything, it's free, and we can get in there and we can start having a chat about anything and everything, as we do on this channel, guys, about becoming the highest, most best version of ourselves. You know, because at the end of the day, right, this is why I started this channel. It's to you know, empower people and to help people and make people become the best of it. Because when I'm helping people, guys, that's when I feel good, and that's my purpose. You know what I mean? So yeah, make sure you check it out. And also another announcement: I've just invested in some new equipment. I've just invested in a new GoPro that should be coming this Friday. So the content, I say the content, the picture quality and everything, and also when you know, I've got a few ideas anyway, let's just say that, but you know, I'm not going to go too much into it, but you know, the content's going to start getting a little bit better and a little bit more variety and stuff like that. And I know that you guys are enjoying the content anyway, and I really do appreciate it, and I'm very, very grateful and thankful for having you guys as subscribers. So yeah, the GoPro will be coming with a new selfie stick on Friday, so I'll be starting to use that then. So obviously you'll be starting to see my good looks a lot more clearer and crisper. But yeah, like I say, we're gonna leave it at that, guys. I'm just on a chill one today because I need to get back, eat some food before I go to the gym, because obviously I train at the gym now. I usually roughly train. I've started doing more strength training now, obviously, because I get out with a walking. That's like sort of like enough cardio for me. But yeah, I kind of like do my training like 4 to 5 days a week. I usually try and get it about 4 times a week, which is more than enough for me. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, I think we're going to leave it at that. But thank you so much for the love and support. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials. Danny Detours84 on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. You know, obviously I'm Danny Merter on Facebook, if you want to go follow me on there. But yeah, for me, Paddy and Willow, thank you so much for the love and support. I hope you have a fantastic day. Love you loads. Peace.